Hey guys, welcome back to the Boho Babe Homestead. We just got stormed on, like really bad, like a really bad thunderstorm. I got a little bit of water in here. The water blew under the cabin, the roof cabin, so there's a little bit of water up there inside. But it's not bad, it's already dried up. What was on the floor is dried. Got some water that came in through the door that blew on the door. And that's it just run off a bit and went inside. This is what outside is looking like. It's like a river right there right now. There's still lightning and there's still rain, but I'm going to see what's going on outside. Oh no. The plants. You see, this is my problem right here. The water is running off under the house. Down to the basement level. There's the water running down. That's coming from the road. Well, everything got a good trench, so we're like having extreme. Why would you do that? You're drinking water from the shoe when you have water in your bowl. Everything is like blown down, bent down. Laziness. That's the thumbnail right there. Alright, let's see what's going on in here. Everything seems fine. Yeah, one of my curtains got short. I fell asleep with one of the windows open and it blew in. Otherwise, everything is fine. Just a lot of water everywhere, but the plants took some damage from the winds, but they'll be fine, I think. But that's it. That was intense, though. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Bye.